Hello, I'm Bihadunema Kamukumbura, and this is a demonstration for the assignment that I have to do in the network design. So first of all, I like to go through the virtual box interface. So you can see there are two machines that I use. The first one is the Untangle Debian, means the firewall on the virtual box, and the Windows 1, Windows 10 is that I use to testing the firewall configuration. So I like to go through the firewall first. So this is the dashboard of the firewall, and I like to go through the network cards. So there are two networks. The first one is the external one, and it's designed as the 172.31, and the internal one showed as the 192 and 168. So I like to go through the virtual machine. And first look what are the IPs that we have on the virtual machine. So go through the properties. Go through the change adapter option and right click on Ethernet and go to properties. In here you can go through the properties and you can see the IP address on the virtual machine is 192.168.2.100 and the subnet mask is 24/24, and the default gateway is the internal IP of the firewall, and the DNS also the same. So let's look, is it ping? So I use CMD to ping. So 192 and 168.2.1 is ping. So there's a connection between the virtual machine and the firewall. And to check the internet connection, I can pin the Google, same as previous. So it's working. So I like to go to the first task that we have on the assignment. The first task is in our assignment is implement a rule to block the specific incoming traffic from the particular IP range. So I have to go the apps. So I already downloaded a few apps in here. To download apps, you have to go the install apps, and especially you have to signing in here, and you have to put your Gmail and you have to create an account and put your Gmail and the password, and you can access for the apps and you can download any apps. These are the apps that I downloaded previously. So I like to go to the policy manager. So in policy manager, there's a default policy in here. So I click in here and you can see I enable the firewall one. To enable the firewall one, you have to click on the install and just it says like that. So I already enabled that one, and to block the specific incoming traffic, I have to go to the firewall apps. You can download the firewall app from the app once, and you have to click the firewall. So after that, go to rules, and you can add the rule. first one that you have to do is the add the role. So you have to give the description. So the description must be the block HTTPS, and you have to add the condition. I just add the condition to the source address, and I'll give my host IP is 192.168.2.100. I think you remember the address on this one. This is the address. So I put on the firewall. And also I have to add another condition as the destination port. The destination port must be the 443 because 443 is the port of the HTTP. So the action type will be block. Before do that, I have to go through the host machine and show you we can access any website before we block the IP address from the firewall. So it shows like I will show like this. You can see I can go through any website. So now we move to the firewall one and we implement the rule. So just click on the flag and done. And just click on the enable and save this file. After that, go through the host machine and just reload the it seems like it's blocked the particular IP. So you can get the idea about how it implement a rule to block a specific incoming traffic from the particular IP address from the firewall. And the task 2 is the port forwarding. I think I didn't find any resources to do that one, and also for the VPN tunnel, I think I need two virtual firewalls, but I'm unable to get the two virtual firewalls because my lab is slow and it's can't do it. And